Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel, brothers and sisters. Dua is the most powerful weapon of a believer. You might have heard this sentence many times. You might have made thousands of du'as, some of which might have come true for you, while others might not have been realized as of yet. We need to remember that it's normal and happens to everyone. It doesn't mean in any way that Allah SWT doesn't love you. So let me introduce you to an amazing, authentic, powerful dua that has been guaranteed to grant all your wishes of this world as well as the next life. If you're interested, then carry on watching till the end, inshallah. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. Before I tell you about this amazing dua from the Quran, you need to do two things for it to work. One, you need to believe in the power of dua. Second, be patient and continue with this dua. So that means reciting it daily, inshallah. Make it a part of your praying routine to realize its true benefits. So make sure you do these two things first. Now let's move on, inshallah. Oh yeah, and one last thing before I get to this beautiful dua. As with most of these duas, there are doubts to them being a bid'ah, innovation, or from a weak narration. When I first came across this dua, it was the same for me, doubting its authenticity. But then I read it from an authentic source, The Fortress of the Muslim. I'm sure you've all heard of that book. And it was backed as a Sahih authentic narration from Abu Dawood and Ibn as-Sunni. So just remember, the dua is after all from the Quran and can be used as a supplication. So I started making this prayer, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best. So the dua to read is Hasbi Allahu la ilaha illahu alayhi tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arshil azim. Sufficient for me is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is no deity except Him. On Him I have relied, and He is the Lord of the great throne. And this is in Surah Tawbah, chapter 9, verse 129. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant whoever recites this 7 times in the morning or evening whatever he desires from this world or the next. So make sure you read this in the morning and in the evenings. There you go, brothers and sisters. Recite this short, power-packed dua every morning or evening till you memorize it. Then you can use it as often as you like and at any time as well. It's a glorified supplication from the Quran, and you can invoke Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with it whenever you want. Try to be patient and consistent. There's nothing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want you to have which is good for you. The only things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is keeping away from you are those which are either of no or little good to you in this world and the hereafter. Sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keeps things at a distance from you while He wants to test your patience, and all He wants to beautify the reward for you. And just remember, this delay is not only a trial, but also it's a means of your preparation. Sometimes you think you can handle some things, but only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what you can handle and what you cannot. So trust His wisdom. He, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, knows you more than you will ever know yourself. So please keep this in mind. Jazakallahu khairan wa ahsan al-jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. And inshallah, I will see you all next time with another video.